Similar videos? Yeah, yeah. Listen, one thing is this, okay? Okay, another thing. Okay, another. Tell me, how do I get ideas for a video, right? Because that's also like a big thing. How can you make a video every single day? It's crazy. It's insane. Like you have like a robot. No. Um, the truth is this, okay? When it comes to making videos every single day, I look up on people's channels the most popular videos, and I don't watch them. Don't watch them because you'll copy what they say. Don't do that. You look at the title, look at the thumbnail, and say, okay, if it's, for example, something on money or whatever, okay, how can I make this video and do more and just add more to it, okay? Like the scientific method. It's not about making the video longer. It's more about like, hey, how can I add more value to this video? Usually, I click the video, I pause it, I don't watch it. I go down, for example, to the comments down below. I see what people say, hey, you missed this topic. What about this? What about this? And what I do is I make a list of all those questions, every single one of them, and I make sure to answer them in my video.
I love that. I love that idea. That helps a lot.
Yeah, and because there are, for example, tens of thousands of videos online, you'll never run out of ideas, but you will have to keep learning and researching. So you don't want to be the guy that there was an issue where someone basically like saw my video, copied it word for word, and made a video with my whole script. You don't want to be that type of person, but you want to be able to be, hey, okay, Ty made this video. What did he miss here? What do people want from this? And just basically make a video better than mine. That's what you always want to do.
Perfect.